to cover your entire body. That is the amount in a shot glass. If you're using a spray sunscreen, make sure you apply it in a ventilated area and do 2 or 3 passes until you have a good shiny coat, and then rub it in. All right, let's switch gears and talk some weather and what we can expect this afternoon. It is a storm alert weather day. Let's get to meteorologist Alison Pryor as we look at today and then ahead to the holiday weekend. Alison.
Yes, Latrice. So remember, it's a low-end event, but we are looking at that window from about 2 to 7 p.m. for some clusters of storms to move across our area. You still have a little bit of a window. If you need to run out, do some errands and not have to worry about bringing your groceries in, maybe in the rain, that you can head outside till about 2 p.m. and then you probably want to be back at home. 80 degrees currently in Chattanooga, 81 in Cleveland, and then both Dalton, Fort Payne, 79. So not quite as hot as what we've had for the past few days, but still warm temperatures. Our highs today, I think, are going to be happening around 1, 2 p.m. and the temperatures will be dropping as those storms move through. So I have us getting up to 83 at 2 o'clock with that mostly cloudy sky and those storms moving in again starting up by about 2 p.m. Certainly 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock dealing with those storms across the area, about 76 degrees at 6 p.m. A little bit of a break, and then remember we have that one narrow little line that's going to scoot on through across our area too for the nighttime hours. These will just be showers. Don't have to worry about any kind of severe weather then. And then temperatures dropping down into the 60s, 65 degrees with the mostly cloudy sky at 2 a.m. Colder air is going to come in, so we're getting these storms due to a cold front. Tomorrow, there's going to be a little bit of a chill in the air. Here's our current satellite and radar combination. Again, those cloudier skies, especially if you're in Tennessee, some denser cloud cover right now. Most areas are dry at this time. There are a couple of little pockets you can see here in green as some showers. Really what we're watching is this activity to the west and how it's going to be developing over the next hour or so ahead of this cold front. So right now everything is behaving really well, but if we get some breaks in that cloud cover, these storms are probably going to fire up a little bit more and then slide into our area. So what are we looking at as far as that timing? Let's run through about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, seeing a couple of these little cells hitting Marion County, Sequatchie County, up into Bledsoe County, continuing through into the afternoon and the evening. Again, these are going to be kind of clusters of storms, so not everybody's going to be seeing something at once. You're certainly going to have calm periods, gusty wind coming out of the southwest, and then pockets of some of that heavier rainfall moving through. I think some of the new data is especially showing some heavy rainfall for our western counties, but also south of Chattanooga, so Dade, Walker, Catoosa County, getting a little bit more of that activity with that heavier rain and gusty winds. By about 8 p.m., that's going to be pushing out of our eastern area. You'll notice not a lot happening in Chattanooga. So I think for the Lookouts game tonight, first pitch, no problem. You're going to be able to start the game. We'll have to watch it for this last little broken line coming through, if any of that's going to hit the area before the final inning. And you'll notice all those blue lines, that's that cooler air moving in, that northwest breeze coming into the area. So do expect cooler temperatures as we head into Saturday. So total rainfall from this event, about 1/4 of an inch to an inch on average, probably some of those highest totals for areas that are south of Chattanooga. So if you're in Georgia, northeast Alabama, but I also want to include Grundy County for that, also Cherokee County. I think some of those higher elevations, you could get some stronger storms and more rainfall. And again, primary threat is going to be those damaging wind gusts if we do have any of those isolated severe storms that develop. So here are your high temperatures for the day today. 84 in Chattanooga and in Dalton, 82 in Cleveland, and 74 in Altamont. It is going to get breezy this afternoon. Winds from the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. You already had a gust at 22 miles per hour at the Chattanooga airport. Gusts generally about 20 to 25 for the afternoon. And then lows tonight. Most locations are